You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more confusing names or names that at least a lot of people mispronounce, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more that I'll link to for you at the end of this video. The pronunciation in English is as Aphmau. Aphmau. Yes, you got it. Stress on the first syllable. Aphmau. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.